Good morning, students. Happy Monday. Thank you for joining me for another week of connected learning. We're going to have a great week wrapping up Unit 4 and beginning some of Unit 5. Today I want to show you an activity that you can do with maybe some leftover Easter eggs, or if you're like me and I didn't get to have an egg hunt this year, you could do a jar, a box, cup, whatever you want to do. Okay, so I want us today to focus on our times 10 times 100 patterns. Now, if you're feeling pretty advanced in this, I want you to go ahead and do times 1,000 also. So what I want you to do is find a piece of paper, and I already took my paper and I cut it into some strips. So on 6 of the strips, I want you to put a pattern on there. So I may make 2 times 10s, 2 times 100s, and then maybe 2 times 1,000. Now, if you don't want to do the thousands, you could do another times 10 and another times 100. But I think most of you are ready for the times 1,000. All right, get that 0 in there. Okay, so what you can do is you can fold these up. You can put them in an egg or your jar or your cup. And then I want you to think of some numbers. Okay, shake those up real good. I want you can draw your place cards, or you can just make up your numbers or roll your dice, however you want to do it. I want you to do some single digits, like I may put a 7. I want you to do 2-digit numbers. I may do 92. I even want you to do some 3-digit numbers. Let's do 654. And then maybe repeat all of that again. So I might do a 2, an 88. I need one more piece of paper. And I might do 743. Now, if you want to get super fancy, and if you want to be advanced on this, you could make a couple of more, and you could pop some zeros in. Like you might want to say 2017 or 1010. That would be a good one. So you want to fold those papers and put it in your other egg or jar or whatever you have. And then you can shake those up real good. And then what I want you to do today is practice with the eggs or jar or whatever that you created, pulling out the numbers. So I might pull out 654 times, let's see, times 10. So remember how we did this in class, okay? Do not try to do it the traditional way. I want you to circle the hole and slash the 0, okay? I want you to say that to yourself today. So anything times 1 we know is still that same number, and then I just pop on my 0. 6,540. So then, I want you to take your eggs, shake them up real good, and you can pick another one to do. Ooh, here's a good one. Erase this. So I have 743 times 1,000. So the first thing I'm going to do is circle my hole and slash my zeros. So take your 743 times 1 is still 743. 1, 2, 3 zeros. I get 743,000. Now I know you guys remember how to do this, so I want you to practice for about 10 minutes today, working on these times 10, times 100, times 1,000 patterns. Now if some of you really want to, you can go up to 10,000 and 100,000. I know some of you have this down very well. I want you to think about perimeter and area that's coming up on Wednesday and Thursday. I have a couple of videos, but I would like a few more. So if you could today, make me a video on area and perimeter, text it to me, and I will add it to the YouTube video. Hope you have a wonderful day, stay warm, and have fun.